In a picturesque wooded area adjacent to a serene creek, a striking architectural marvel has emerged, showcasing a harmonious blend of nature and design. Nestled amidst the lush foliage, this residence stands as a testament to innovative spatial planning and a deep appreciation for the surrounding environment. Seeking solace and privacy amidst neighboring houses, the project embarked on a journey to carve its own niche within the landscape. Embracing the contours of the available plot, the house sprawls gracefully, dividing its program into distinct yet cohesive elements. Each segment of the residence extends outward from a central void, seamlessly integrating with its immediate surroundings. At the heart of this dynamic composition lies the longitudinal patio, a pivotal feature that not only serves as a point of access but also acts as a unifying element for the various parts of the house. This central space fosters connectivity while enhancing the overall flow and functionality of the residence. In a bold design move, the pool is positioned perpendicular to the main axis of the house, adding depth and dimension to the expansive plot. This strategic placement not only maximizes the utilization of space but also creates a visually captivating focal point within the landscape. The architectural language of the residence speaks volumes through its careful juxtaposition of materials. Horizontal concrete elements exude a sense of weightlessness, supported by minimalistic structures that blend seamlessly with the surrounding scenery. In contrast, vertical stone constructions anchor the house to the earth, symbolizing strength and permanence. A striking interplay between vertical and horizontal elements defines the aesthetic of the residence. Narrow vertical slots in the stone walls of the base create a sense of enclosure, while expansive glass panes on the upper level invite the outdoors in, blurring the boundaries between interior and exterior spaces. The choice of materials reflects a deep reverence for the natural surroundings, with concrete dyed to mimic the earthy tones of the landscape and stone walls mirroring the neighboring rock formations. Even the slender elements such as carpentry and metalwork are stained to resemble the birch trees that frame the entrance to the property. Beyond its aesthetic appeal, the residence offers a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor living spaces. Expansive windows and cantilevered porches extend the vistas from the interior, inviting residents to immerse themselves fully in the beauty of the garden landscape. In summary, this architectural masterpiece stands as a testament to the power of design to harmonize with nature. By embracing the inherent beauty of its surroundings and integrating innovative design elements, the residence offers a tranquil retreat where inhabitants can truly connect with the natural world.